Okay, here we are at the Lenox Hotel in Dagupan, Pangasinan, Philippines. We just checked in here a little bit ago. We're traveling right now, kind of trying to make our way to Nueva Vizcaya, and we stopped here because we have to catch the first bus out of town, out of Dagupan, bright and early. I mean, really early. So we decided, well, let's just go to Dagupan and stay the night. And this is where we ended up, the Lenox Hotel, Dagupan. So I'll just give kind of a quick look. It's pretty nice. We went down. There's a nice shower. We went down and had dinner in the restaurant. We just finished, and boy, oof, yeah, food was really good. So here's the bathroom in our hotel room. This is kind of like your basic room. I can't remember exactly what it's called on Agoda, but when we made the reservation, but it's kind of your more, it's your cheapest room, I guess you could say. It does have a air con in here. It feels pretty good. It's working great. The window, that's another thing I was wondering about this room before we got here. Is like, oh my gosh, I hope they have a window because I gotta have some sunlight. But yes, this one has the window. Not the greatest view, but yeah, whatever. City view. Hey, it's a window, and we get sunlight, so that's a good thing. TV. Nice bed. Haven't slept on it yet, but I'm sure it'll suit us just fine. We're gonna be waking up at 4 o'clock in the morning, so we're not gonna have a whole heck of a lot of time on this bed. We're just gonna put our heads down tonight and get a few hours of sleep, and off we go. So there you have it. This is room 201. We're on the 2nd floor here at the Lenox Hotel. All right, ready to go, hon? We'll keep this video going until we... All right. You got the... Wait, did I grab the key? You got it. Okay. So, see you later, room. We're gonna take a walk over to the SM Mall. Thanks. I always feel bad walking across a floor when somebody's mopping it. So here we have kind of like a little half spiral staircase. That's the entrance into the restaurant. There's the front desk over here, down there. Go ahead, hon. There's the restaurant. Yep. So here's the front area. We're on Rizal Street. R-I-Z-A-L, Rizal Street. Pardon?
What's your way?
Okay, now we're out here on Perez Boulevard. We're headed towards SM. I know we got a little bridge going over the water here, I think. nice evening. It was hot as hell earlier, but now the sun's going down. We're catching a nice little breeze. Beautiful night here in Dagupan. A little bit of a change of pace being from Alamino City. Huh?
Tonight there's some light over here.
Oh, okay.
So we can also walk going back to the hotel.
All right. A little water. Little river here. Inlet, whatever you want to call it. First time I ever came to Dagupan was, well, we came here a few years ago, and the whole town, the whole city was flooded. People are walking around these streets up to their knees and sometimes waist in water. I guess depending on how tall you are, how long your legs are. But yeah, I remember seeing a couple people walking around damn near up to their waists in water. So yeah, pretty cool. Boulevard. A lot of people out here tonight. We got here road roasters. Yeah, rotisserie chicken. Cruise around through here. Okay, so as we approach the intersection, we've got the bus station right here. Bus terminal. We got Victory Liner. Oh, we got 5-star right there. Basically all the major carriers, bus carriers are right here. 5-star, Victory is over there. And then whatever this Solid North Transit. And we are coming up on, what's the name of this? Which one is it?
This one. I don't, this side.
I can't see behind the bushes or the...
M8 Del Pilar Street. You cannot say it. I will say it.
Say what?
M8 Del Pilar Street.
Okay. I thought it was like Dagupan Highway or something.
No.
I guess not. Alright.
Hey, you.
Hey, what's up, man? Alrighty.
We're back.
Yeah. So are here at the SM. At least I think we are. SM Mall. Okay, we are on the roof now. The rooftop of SM Mall. Some groovy music. Just do a walk around. Let's go take a peek over the edge here, see what's going on. Ah. This little side street, back street. I think it's like Heron, something like that, I think. And that's going back out towards the front of the mall. And then the bus station right over there. Just walking around. There we go. She's probably getting harassed because I have a camera rolling. So, okay, let's go inside. Well, as it turns out, they were not harassing her for me having a camera. They're actually some pretty darn nice guys. They just wanted to know the name of my YouTube channel. So, sometimes I'm a little cynical. Alright, look, we got people just hanging out. Okay, all you single guys, come over here and check out the young single girls. Alright. That'd be that. Back inside we go.
We get everything that we need.
Huh?
We get everything we need.
Alright. Let's get out of here. Oh. So you just want to go out this way and then walk? Alright. that's our brief visit to the SM Mall. We just had to pick up a couple small things. Now we're off to our hotel room once again. Early evening, dusk. And it's a beautiful night here in Dagupan City. Lots of activity going on around here tonight. There's the Victory Liners over there, back in business, carrying passengers throughout the Philippines, or Luzon I should say. It's not 100% yet, but we're getting there. Keep pushing this camera over your head.
You go first.
I tell you, these guys, they can spot a camera a mile away, man. So can this guy. Yep. Show these guys a camera and they're all over it. Okay, there you have it, guys. Landed back at the Lenox Hotel. So we covered a little bit of this this place we're staying at, Lenox Hotel, a little bit of Dagupan City, and a little bit of SM Mall. So hey, I want to thank you very much, guys, for coming along on this short little video. And we'll be signing off for now. Thanks, guys, appreciate it. Back inside the Lenox Hotel we go. Talk to you later. God bless. Love you all. Bye bye.